BMW Motorrad CE02, a no-frills small electric motorcycle. The BMW Motorrad CE02 concept will officially debut at the IAA Mobility 2021 in Germany next week. In the meantime, the company has made a preliminary announcement. The lightweight and practical model harmoniously combines the features of a modern scooter and a classic motorcycle. The model is characterized by simple proportions, small dimensions, and a low center of gravity, which, in combination with large 15-inch wheels, makes the BMW Motorrad CE02 a truly comfortable vehicle. The design features deliberately disharmonious combinations of vintage details with glossy and matte surfaces. There is enough room for two on the extended seat, and one driver will be accommodated here in complete comfort. The dimensions of the bike are really small, but this makes it more practical. In the free space between the seat and the frame, there is space for small items. If necessary, they can be pressed with plastic mounts. There are brackets under the battery lock on which you can transversely fix the skateboard. It also serves as a footrest. At the front of the CE02, there is a small, darkened headlamp with 4 LED elements, which is sufficient for night driving. There is also a pair of translucent LED rear lights, spaced far enough apart to remain visible to other road users. There is also a small color screen on the steering wheel which displays the necessary information, for example, the remaining power reserve and the battery charge level. Weighing in at 120 kg, the bike suffices from a relatively modest 15 HP electric motor. There are no detailed specifications yet, but the BMW Motorrad CE02 is known to accelerate up to 90 km per hour and has a range of 90 kilometers. The design expresses a new facet of BMW Motorrad. At first sight, the two entire wheels appearance exposes the BMW Motorrad Concept CE2's unique personality. BMW intended to create two-wheeler that is easily accessible to anyone who wants to be mobility and independent. On a daily basis, the BMW Motorrad Concept CE02 is a reliable companion. It's your favorite because it's always there for you and just works, even if you don't always treat it with care. There are also stickers, tapes, and other sorts of personalization that make it quite evident that it belongs to you. It embodies youthful freedom and a carefree mentality similar to a two-wheeled skateboard. The proportions are straightforward and transparent, resulting in an honest and emotional aesthetic appeal. Two huge wheels comparable to those on a fun bike offer sturdiness and simple riding enjoyment. Their style-like disc wheels to graphically emphasize the vehicle's proportions. The dark region housing the two battery units as well as the silver accents on the drive help to produce a compact design. The unusual silhouette is completed by the long, narrow seat and the frame. A new introduction to BMW Motorrad. The center of gravity is low and favorable when it comes to riding characteristics thanks to the flat vehicle body. The BMW Motorrad Concept CE02, on the other hand, looks inviting and confident thanks to its huge disc wheels and low seat height. Not only do the proportions allow for an extremely nimble riding experience, but they also meant to inspire non-motorcyclists to hop on and try it out. The concept's adaptability is shown in the continuous seating. The seat allows for a variety of sitting positions, whether leaning far back with your feet first, leaning forward with your feet on the rear footrests, or of course with two persons, because the electric drive eliminates the need for a foot brake lever. Furthermore, the area between the seat and the frame provides space for small luggage items. Two crossed over petrol colored electric bands are fastened to the front section of the seat in such a way that similar items can be casually tucked in. The brackets provide additional storage space, and the front footrests are also mounted here. You may also use your own skateboard as a footrest by attaching it here. High quality details on closer inspection. On closer study, the minimalist design reveals high quality features and technical achievements. A square black headlamp with 4 unique LED elements as front headlights provides illumination. The rear light is made up of 2 translucent LED leaves mounted on the left and right sides of back seat. Basic display functionality is provided via a small color screen mounted in the handlebars, which is connected by a visually overemphasized cable harness. Otherwise, the technology is kept to a minimum. The highlighted parts such as the drive belt, handlebars and fork in combination with the disc wheels and single-sided swinging arm emphasize the concept bike's urban, modern nature in detail. The color scheme puts the rider at the center. In terms of color, the BMW Motorrad Concept CE02 stays true to its roots with black silver color scheme. The color black harkens back to the early BMW motorcycles. What's unique here is the combination of matte and high gloss finishes, which gives the concept bike more personality. Silver colored features such as triple clamp or the drive, white graphics and petrol colored luggage straps add targeted accents to the overall look. Technoid typography is used as an active design element to express the link between technical knowledge on equipment and typography. The BMW logo is embedded into the whitish silicone seat directly in the front of handlebars. Otherwise, the brand is indicated only by the BMW word mark on the rims and luggage straps. The BMW Motorrad Concept CE02, with its subdued color scheme, gives the ideal platform for the rider to express their unique personality. Additional personalization using stickers or tapes is also possible and desirable. Fashion statement: urban riding gear for young male and female riders. The BMW Motorrad Concept CE02 is well complemented by the revolutionary Concept Rider equipment. With innovative materials and processing processes, 2 jackets inspired by current trends demonstrate a wide range of new possibilities for both utilitarian and beautiful clothing. Both variants are based on the vehicle's graphics, typographic design. The coats are casually designed and provide a sense of youthful fashion knowledge. The product is both useful and fashionable because of the playful use of transparency, revealing function as a design element. It is thus purposely set aside from traditional rider gear, concentrating instead on current fashion trends. Print-on protection. As part of graphic statement, both rider equipment types include protection. A protection function can be printed on using a newly established technology, GRDXKN. This abrasion-resistant and impact-absorbing substance is integrated into the volume-forming material. It generates a whole new graphic and structural interaction in both outfits, bringing utility and design up to par. The women's jacket's slightly transparent windstop material highlights the print's neon orange color, while golden reflected patterns and colorful color gradients provide appealing design stimuli. In the men's jacket, the print's 3D structure comes into its own. To complete the overall design, the petrol color embellishments and white graphics blend in the Idea bike's color scheme, almost entirely in partnership with regional specialists, the suppliers in Germany. The rider equipment has been developed and manufactured. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.